Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me. Feel us. West Coast, feel me. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, can y'all really?
Good morning, guys. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, I am Jemiah. Welcome to my reset vlog. As you guys can tell by the title, we are resetting for the new month. It is June 2nd. I am 3 days back from my trip to Miami. If you guys seen that vlog, let me know what you guys thought of it down below. And if you guys haven't seen that vlog, make sure you guys go watch that vlog after this one. Right now, I'm getting ready to go to the gym, so I'm letting my car warm up. I've been having a late start so far. This is my second day back to the gym, and I've been going to the gym at like 11 or 12, and I absolutely hate it. It's now 11:30, so I'll probably be at the gym at like 12-ish. But I have to get back into routine now. I'm just not used to getting up super early anymore, which those little 4 or 5 days obviously threw me off. I have to get back acquainted with going to the gym early, so tomorrow will be better, but today we're doing a reset day and we're just getting back into routine this week. As you guys seen, I had my breakfast, I took my vitamins, made Jax's food for the morning, and I also took like my juices that I like to take in the morning. Going into a good start still, but I just need to get up way earlier than what I did today and yesterday, because I woke up both times at like 9:30, 10. So I just have to do better with that. But now I'm about to go to the gym, so I will see you guys when I get back from the gym. So I'm back. Ooh, that means zoom in. I'm back from the gym, and I took a shower, got dressed. I just have on regular clothes right now because I'm about to clean up a little bit. I'm trying to see where I can sit y'all down at because the room is an absolute mess. I have a friend that's here in my hometown. She's here for work, so we're gonna do like a Taco Tuesday kind of dinner vibe, you know. So we're doing that at 6, so it is 3 o'clock right now. So I'm gonna clean up, and then after I clean up, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready so I can go to a little Taco Tuesday night. But let me just show y'all the mess. Okay, I have to, for one, fold these clothes that are on my bed, and they've been on my bed since I got home Friday, and it's now Tuesday. So it's the fact that I've been sleeping by these clothes. Like, they're on the corner of my bed, and I had enough room to sleep. Jax had enough room to sleep on the bed too. So it's just the audacity of me keeping the clothes right here. That's the thing. I have all of these clothes here, and then I didn't make up my bed this morning because I'm like, I have to wash my sheets and stuff. I have to clean all this up. I don't have to wash any clothes. These are just the clothes that I have to actually fold and put up. So, okay, so I'm back. But yeah, we have all of that on the bed that I have to do. This isn't really, well, it's cluttered because I have more products than what I need out. So I had to put everything like back in here and just wherever it goes, but that's pretty much it. But yeah, we have a mess in here going on, so we gotta get that figured out. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and clean up so I can get ready to go for our little Taco Tuesday happy hour type vibe. So let's clean up. Okay guys, so it's a little bit of time later. As you guys can see, I cleaned up literally a little bit. We really didn't go so hard with cleaning. This is my outfit. I'm about to head out now. So this is what we got going on. My outfit will be linked in my Shop My and also my Magic links in my description box below. And as for my makeup, I didn't do much. I just did lip liner and then used some brow gel and then did some mascara. I took off my lashes. The lashes that I had last week, I took them off as soon as I got home. They were irritating me at that point. So this is the look of the night. So let's go get some tacos. Alright you guys, so I'm back home and now I'm about to finish folding up these clothes that I didn't fold up yesterday. And then I'm going to see how many brushes I can wash so I can go ahead and start getting that out of the way. Because I have a lot of brushes from last weekend before I went on vacation. I need to wash those, and I also need to wash the ones that I had when I came back from vacation. So yeah, don't be like me. Go ahead and wash your brushes when you're done with the clients for that week so you won't have hella brushes after. I have like 2 bags full and then also just a pile of brushes, so I have a lot. I also have a lot of clients this weekend, so I need to go ahead and get at least half of them out of the way by this weekend so I can have brushes for my kids. So let's go ahead and start cleaning up. Alright you guys, so it is hours later. I've wind down for the night. I took my shower, and after dinner with my friend, I literally was relaxing and I just felt like a tickle in my throat and like my nose just felt like just itchy. Like I've been sneezing all day, but especially when I was cleaning like my closet area because it was a lot of dust in there. But I started like rearranging stuff in the closet so I can like get to things better. And now that I've really sat down and like, I guess, felt like my body, my throat is like so itchy. My nose is kind of like, I just, you know, and continuously keep sneezing, but I haven't sneezed. But my throat feels like very itchy, like it's about to be sore. And so I was like, yeah, no ma'am, this is not about to happen. Like we're absolutely not doing this. And then when I was talking earlier to like my friend and my mom, my voice had felt like it went out a little bit, so I had to like clear my throat a little bit. And I was like, no, we're not doing that. I don't have any cough drops or like cough syrup. Only thing I got is like some chest rub and some Vicks, so I'm gonna put that on before I go to bed. I made a coffee, like a hot coffee, because I'm not really a tea drinker. Which I don't know if tea and coffee would do the same thing for my throat, but I'm not a tea drinker. So until I become one, or if I ever will become a tea drinker, I drink coffee. And I only drink coffee for the taste, but I'm really drinking like hot coffee tonight. I love iced coffee. That's like my thing. But I decided to drink hot coffee because I'm like, okay, maybe it'll soothe my throat a little bit. I've been hydrating on water a little bit more tonight. Pretty much to end off this reset productive, I don't really know what I'm going to name this video, but basically a reset into the new month. I'm going to write in my calendar. I call it a calendar, but it's really like a planner. Calendar, planner, same thing, but I'm going to write in that, and pretty much what it does is just allow me to set out my goals. Now today is, oh dang, it's 1 a.m. I didn't think it was that late, but it is the 4th of June. It's the 4th of June, and I didn't really write in my planner yet. So I want to go ahead and like organize my planner for the month, put down my goals, read the affirmation of the month. Because when I buy planners, I buy the planners that has like the stickers, the affirmations, you write your goals in there, short term, long term, your to-do list for the month, for the week. Like, it's fully in. And normally with my planner, I like to do it, like keep up with it every week because I have clients and different things that I have to like set out for the week, planning out my content for the week, different things of like me trying to get more organized and stuff. I try to do it every week, but like since vacation, like coming back, I've been low-key lazy. Like even all this week, I've been going to the gym at like 11 o'clock. I hate going to the gym at 11 o'clock because that means I'll get out at 1-ish. And I'm like, I don't like being in the gym late. Like, I low-key like being in the gym in the morning. I like to be there around 7, 8, maybe going in at 9, and then leaving at like 11, 12. Because early in the morning, my gym is not as crowded. And if it is crowded, it's like, it's maybe a few people like my age range. But for the most part, it's like the older crowd. Like, you could tell like there are people who are in there that work, like they have to go to work like right after. They're probably in there way before me anyway, but they're like leaving when I'm coming in, depending on like what time I get there. I like it like that. And then it's pretty chill, which for the most part in my gym is chill. It's not like too overly crowded, but like when I go at like 11 or like later in the morning, it definitely has that rush of like crowdy. Like now they have a thing where like the teenagers can come for free. So like at 11, 12, you know, going into the afternoon, all the teens are basically getting up and going to the gym around that time. So it's overly crowded. Moral of the story is I like to get up earlier just so I can, for one, get my day started and go ahead and do the things that I gotta do. And then for two, it's not like as crowded, so it's like I have room to move and have space and not feel like I'm taking too long in like one area of like my workout. Cause like in between my sets of working out, I like to be on my phone. I like to scroll. I love listening to a good podcast. Right now, I'm literally going on a tangent right now. But anyway, I'm gonna tell y'all what podcast I've been listening to. Then I'll let y'all go. But currently, I've been listening to Poor Minds. I've been listening to him about a year now, maybe. And I love them. I've listened to their like older podcasts and like catching up on like their newer ones now. I really want to go to their tour. They have one show, or I think 2 shows in Atlanta, so I have to see if they still have seats available because I really want to go. And honestly, I've been waiting on someone to, you know, for us to both plan it to go, because that's like the only other person that I know that listens to the podcast or really like podcasts in general. But I'm finna say, you know what, it's cool, girl. I ain't gonna say nothing else. I'm gonna go by myself, you know, do like a little solo thing, which I've never done before, but I really want to go. And I love listening to their podcast. I love just their whole vibe and everything. And I've been seeing like sneak peeks of like them going on tour. Like they were in Texas and I think it was North Carolina, South Carolina. But I've been seeing like their different shows like on TikTok, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it looks so lit, so fun. I'm really considering like just doing like a solo trip there. But anywho, basically I listen to their podcast. I also listen to like other podcasts like Haley Gamba, but like other podcasts and stuff, or I'll just like listen to my music or whatever, which I do have a playlist on Apple Music, so if you guys want to check out my playlist, it'll be linked below. Between my sets, that's what I do. So I'm like kikiing at my podcast or like scrolling on my phone or something in between sets. So basically what I was saying is that with that is I just be sitting in my own world, being in my own world, and I don't want to take up too much time, especially if the gym is packed. So that is why I also want to go to the gym earlier. Right now I'm about to write in my planner. I need a pen. So I want to show you guys the planner that I use since I haven't written on this page yet. This is my 2026 planner. This is what it looks like. It has like all my stickers in here. I added these stickers in here from another planner that I have. It has more stickers. Well, these are the stickers that actually come in with this planner, and I love it. I think it's so cute. So like I was saying, it does have like an affirmation like for each month. This is the quote for the month. And it says, you must be the change you want to see in the world. And then it also has on the other side, and it says, good things come to those that hustle. I know that's right, Buki. I don't know if it's going to focus. But this is what I was saying when it has like the overview of the month. So it has like June goals, June to-do list. It has like the days, whoever's birthday is in June, and then other important dates, and then June reminders. So I like to write on this page specifically for each new month, like, you know, whatever new month it is. But since it's June, I'm going to go ahead and write in here. I actually did not write anything for the first week of June, but I'm going to go ahead and fill these in, which these days have already passed, so I'm just going to continue on with like the other days. It also has reminders at the top up here. Each week it has like a little quote up here. So this week is embrace the journey. I'm just going to go ahead and fill out these things and then add in some other things that I have coming up in this month. Yeah, so that is my planner, which is super cute. Once again, you can get them from TJ Maxx. They sell a lot of these like this. I just bought a couple of planners for my graduation giveaway winners that I had on my beauty page. You guys follow me on my beauty page, and if you guys don't know, I'm a makeup artist. I did a giveaway for high school seniors who booked me for prom. I got them both planners. Their planners kind of look similar to mine, but I got those from Target. So they have some at Target, but they also have them at TJ Maxx too as well. They'll be linked below too, so I'll link them down below so you guys can see those as well too. I'm about to write in my planner and then go to sleep because it is 1 a.m. girl, and pretty much close out this video. I may pick up my camera again, but if I don't, I will see you guys in the next video.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right in the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one I'm really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find a girl.
Oh my gosh, you see all the Vicks on me. I'm back. You guys can tell the Vicks on me. Anyways, ignored that. I hope you guys enjoyed my productive getting back into my routine after vacation vlog. I know this is kind of like short, somewhat boring, but this is literally my life right now. Pretty much just a reset of me getting back into like my everyday routine of what I do. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if I'm gonna come back tomorrow because I literally have nothing else to do. I pretty much cleaned and got back into routine. Just did like my everyday things. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend if you guys still share YouTube videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye girl. Good night.